Bonjour, good morning. How are you all? Today we are going to say the topic the days of the week. How to say the days of the week in French. Okay, let's get started. The days of the week. In French, it is les jours de la semaine. Les means the, jour means day of the week. Semaine. Les jours de la semaine. The days of the week. Les jours de la semaine. The days of the week. First, lundi is Monday. See, lundi. L-U-N-D-E. Lundi. Lundi, Monday. Mardi is Tuesday. Mardi. Mardi. M-A-R-D-E. Mardi. Mardi is Tuesday. Mardi. Mercredi. Mercredi is Wednesday. Mercredi. Mercredi. M-E-R-C-R-E-D-E. Mercredi is Wednesday. Mercredi. Wednesday. Jeudi. Thursday. Jeudi. Thursday. Jeudi. Thursday. J-E-U-D-E. Jeudi. Thursday. Vendredi is Friday. Vendredi. Friday. V-E-N-D-R-E-D-E. Vendredi. Friday. Vendredi. Friday. Samedi is Saturday. Samedi is Saturday. S-A-M-E-D-E. Samedi. Saturday. Samedi. Saturday. Dimanche. Sunday. Dimanche. Sunday. D-E-M-A-N-C-H-E. Dimanche is Sunday. Dimanche. Sunday. Let's repeat one more time. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Say along with me one more time. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Okay friends, today class we have learned the days of the week. Right? The days of the week means les jours de la semaine. Right? So at your home, please learn the days of the week, les jours de la semaine. Try to read each letter with an alphabet like les jours means L, S, G, O, U, R, S like this. Okay, try to pronounce each letter. Then when you will be thorough with the alphabets. Okay, you will get to know the alphabets and will be very well thorough the alphabets, the pronunciation of alphabets in French. Okay, try to read like this manner and learn the days of the week in French. Next class, in the upcoming class, we will see the months of the year. Okay, so before that, yeah, you need to thorough with the days of the week. Okay, friends. Okay, I will see you in the next class. Merci. Au revoir. Bye.